We will see related to Terraform state related information. Generally, you are in a state. Once you are the, assume we are taking like this. If you are the developer or you are the operator, what you may do? You are writing script. Just here you are writing script. This is the Terraform script. Maybe for example, I am taking main.tm. This is the main.tm. I think someone is trying to enter. Right. Okay. Here you are writing Terraform script. Here after writing the script, generally what you may do, you may apply Terraform in it. You know it, right? Why you are applying Terraform in it? Anyone respond? Why we are applying Terraform in it? You are applying Terraform in it. Simplifying means just I am applying in it. In it. But which purpose we are using in it? To download, to download a specific provider. To download a specific provider plugins. You agree with me? Provider plug. Once it is downloaded, simply what you are doing, the next step originally, this is the hierarchy. Even though you use another step, generally internally what it may do, Terraform validate. Even you are not doing validate also, it internally happens Terraform validate. Just we are applying validate, you know, valid. What validate will do? What validate will do? This script is simply we can say it will check the syntax of the manifest file. Check the syntax of the manifest. Manifest. Good. After that, generally what we are doing, you know it. What we may do? After validate, plan, right? Terraform plan. In the Terraform, if you apply Terraform plan, here binaries will be created. Binaries. Binaries. Binaries in the sense within the within the RAM only available. Within the within the RAM form. Within the RAM form. We can't store anywhere Terraform plan directly, but we can store it. How we can store it? You know the command Terraform plan, Terraform, Terraform plan hyphen out their file. Their file. This is a RAM copy. We are storing by using out argument. I hope you understood. Here our main intention is Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Once if you do apply, once if you do apply actual actual resources will be will be created on the cloud and creates here is terraform dot state file state state file terraform.tf state file. This is the hierarchy. This is the processor. Here, why I am telling all these things in the sense we need to interact with terraform.tf state file. First, we'll take a simple example. Based on that, we'll continue. Or otherwise, already we are having some examples. Already I have shown. We'll go through that one also. Here, just I'm opening VS Code. Where is VS Code? Yes. There I'm going to file. There file open folder. Good. There one step back. You know it. There Terraform local variables already over. See somewhere Terraform state related information is there. See Terraform state.
Okay.
Terraform state. Here Terraform state remote state. First we go for Terraform. Okay, remote state stored under. Okay, we'll take first one on Terraform manifest. Just select folder. Some files are there. We'll try to understand one by one. One by one. First, we'll take maybe provider versions is there, right? Versions. There within that, this is okay. Here, you need to remove this. Just to remove this. After removing Terraform, yes, within that only we need to add this one, remove it. Any other thing is required. Here, these comments are not necessary. Here is okay. This is required. Leave it. What I want to do is, you know it, right? Provider information on my desktop is there. You know, provider information. Provider. There, these three lines. Access key, secret key, region. Access key, secret key, region. Control C, extra curly brace is there. Wait, right. Now just here I'm pasting. The extra one is there. Remove it. Now Terraform. Okay, Terraform is there. Okay, we'll go in this way. Control X. Just I go like this. This is the good way. Control C. There I may go with like this. Control. Now there is no problem. Here up to this, everybody know, right? There is no doubt in this. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. See here, Terraform. See, if you want to store our resources, if you want to store our resources, generally, if you create anyone, generally, if you create a manifest, if you create Terraform file, if you try to execute in the sense Terraform, apply, if you apply it, automatically it will create Terraform.tf state, where it will create here within the local. That's why in real time also in the interview also they're asking like this, how many ways TF state file will be created? One is the local copy. Second one is a remote copy. Remote copy. Local copy in the sense within your laptop. Within your laptop, we are getting one copy that is the Terraform dot TF state. But what is the drawback here? Assume you want to use this, I want to use this, even someone else wants to use this. Not possible. Why? This is your local copy. Assume this is my local copy. Assume this is someone else local copy. One person local copy, another person cannot use. This is one drawback in local copy. Local copy. But what is the advantage of remote copy? Somewhere we are storing, somewhere in the sense in S3 we are storing. Where we are storing? In S3. You know the meaning and purpose of S3. Simple storage service. Anybody can access unlimited storage. Where we are storing? On cloud. From cloud, you can download, I can download, even someone else can download. We are maintaining single copy. We are maintaining single copy. Suppose my local copy I updated. Your local copy cannot update. But here you may update, I may update, someone else may update. Here automatically it will update. What is the advantage here? Suppose I created first time. Suppose assume I created first time. This is you uploaded. Assume you uploaded. You modified something. This copy I may down. I may use this. I may modify something. I may upload. I may upload. Like that, we can do multiple times. Here, you, me, someone else. Which copy it is modifying? Only one copy. That is the advantage of remote copy. If you want to apply this remote concept, we need to use some coding. What is the coding? First, you need to use Terraform. Terraform. Within the Terraform block only, we can write code related. Which code related? The block code related. Which code? The block code. I hope you understand. Within the Terraform. There you need to add backend. Backend. Again, backend that is S3. Backend S3. I hope I understand. This is the predefined code, maybe 2 to 3 times. If you learn it, automatically we can understand. Within the Terraform, we are using backend. What is the backend? Resource name is S3. Within the S3, we may go with three arguments. One is the bucket. You know bucket name, right? BUCK 80 bucket is equal to, that is the name of the bucket. After that, key means just a path, folder name, that file name you need to mention. After that, region. Which region you want to create that backend file, that backend bucket. Is there any difficulty in this? Wherever, whenever, if you want to store your remote state file, you need to apply this code. What is the code? Terraform block. Within that, nested block is backend. What is the backend name? S3. In S3, you need to use bucket name. Key name means path of that. Path of that in the sense, even I am writing here folder name and which folder. FOLDR. In that Terraform.tf state. Even you can use here ABCXYZ. ABC.xyz. ABC.xyz. But meaningless, right? But meaningful name, we are writing Terraform.tf state. Terraform.tf state. What is the region? Maybe US East, AP Southward. Here the syntax is clear or not? Tell me. If the syntax is clear, again I may go to Visual Studio Code. I'll try to explain what it is aware. What it is aware. Now see, same similar code is there. Observe. See, this is okay. Where is that? Where is that? See, within the Terraform, what it is there? See, adding backend as S3 for remote state storage. If I want to store remote state file, where I want to store? Within S3. How to represent S3? By using backend. By using backend attribute. Backend attribute. Now, you can say backend block, just like provider block, just like resource block. This is also just like a block. Observe backend block. We can read it backend block. Within the block, these are the argument one. This is argument two. This is argument three. This is value one. This is value two. This is value three. Value. Are you? I understood, right? Here we'll try to change Terraform. There I am giving DevApps, DEVOPS hyphen maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is the which folder? Which folder? Dev folder. Which folder? Dev folder. Terraform.tf state. Automatically it will create or may not create. Anyone can guess it? Within this bucket, bucket also you will create. It won't create automatically. It won't create. We are not creating S3. Once S3, within the S3 bucket got created, then only we can apply all these things. It won't create dynamically. Already you have it. Already you had it. Which one you had it? This one you had it, then only it will work. Within this bucket, already what you may have dev folder already. If you have it, finally it will create which one? Terraform.tf state only it will create. And which region? US East one. US East one or AP South one. First we'll go and create like this. First copy this. First of all, we'll try to connect with AWS. Now AWS console log connect to this. Now you know S3. In S3, what we are doing? Create bucket. The bucket name is, I think I copied. Not this one. What is the name of our bucket? Maybe something we took. This one. S3. The control me. Right. Now simply we are creating. Here private bucket also no problem. But anyway, I'm giving enable version. Bucket got created. Once bucket got created or not? Terraform
Not created. One, two. Yes, Terraform does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Created.
successfully created, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the name? Terraform dev
So,
apps.
third
This
one.
one,
Third
right?
one. Third
Okay.
one, sir. Yes.
This one only, right? Now you need to create one folder. Create folder. What is the folder name? Dev, right? Dev. Dev folder. These things you need to upload. One so now it is over. Which region you got created? Maybe that is global, right? That is global. But you try to where I got created. I think you know it. One step back. One
AP
step
South,
back.
I think.
AP.
AP South, South
Check
one.
it. Check it. Where it is created. AP South one. There
Yeah.
you need to apply AP South one. Okay, I think everybody understood, right?
Yeah.
Here AP
Here
South.
AP
That
South.
is,
Yeah.
you need to remember AP SOUT South one. Up to this, I think this is clear, right? Till now clear. Till now clear. Generally, even though you create a resource that Terraform state file, we are moving to S3 bucket. That is our intention. We can move it. Okay. Step one is clear. Control S saves. Next, variables. Maybe this one, right? Here is Apache install. This code already we know. Everybody know it. There is no doubt in this. There is no doubt. This is one shell script. That's all. Shell script. That's now versions already we have seen variables. What are the variables? AWS region. Here is also AP South one. AP South. So this one also Now instance type. Here description T2 micro. Here is the either maybe they either this one or this one. What I said through variable we can assign only one default value. Through local variable we can assign multiple values. Got it or not? Multiple arguments we can take. This is only one argument. Here only one default value we can set through variable. I hope you understood. Next, security groups. 22 port number. In the same way, 80 port number. 80 port number. I think this already there maybe. If already have it, we may get an error. If you got an error, we'll go and remove it manual. We'll go and remove it manual. After that, we need to create instance. Instance. You know this, I think. Here you check it. Any doubt is there? Ask me. Here, what is the specialty? Check it here. Data dot AWS underscore AMI dot Amazon Linux dot ID. What does it mean? The latest, which one? That ID will get it from dynamically, it will get it. Dynamically, it will get it. Data dot AWS underscore AMI dot Amazon Linux dot ID. First. Next, instance type. Where the instance type. There, what it is there? I think you know T2 micro or something is there. Check it here. What is that? T2 small. T2 small will create. T2 small will create. Now, just what is the next one? Instance type, you know. Now, key name, Terraform key. How to add Terraform key? Already you know, right? You need to go with new file. Tell me here, Terraform dot, not Terraform hyphen key dot pem. Enter it. After that, you will go to Windows key, Terraform. Terraform key, just open it. Just open it. There you need to copy and paste. Control A, Control C, Control V. Now simply close it. Where is the close button? Is there? This one. Automatically save it. Saved. Next you go for already we have seen. What is the now you try to understand one thing. This is the interview question. What is the interview question in the sense? How can you say what is the difference between Terraform input and Terraform output? Terraform, Terraform input and Terraform output. Arguments. Arguments. In Terraform input, we can use arguments. Arguments. If you use arguments, list, those things are nothing but Terraform input. If you use attribute, attribute list, this is the argument list. Argument list. Argument list. What is the argument list I used? I think in variable Terraform input is nothing but Terraform variables. Try to understand. Terraform input is nothing but Terraform variables. Got it or not? Terraform output. Here Terraform input is nothing but Terraform arguments. We can understand like this. Arguments. Arguments. Here Terraform output is nothing but Terraform attributes. Attributes. Yesterday we discussed that sometimes if required we can use arguments also here. Where you want to use? Here you can use arguments also. Here you can use arguments also. Where you can use? Here you can use arguments also. But majority of the time we can use attributes only. Attributes only. Now Terraform output, check it here. Which one you are getting here? Instance public IP. Public IP. You know, if you want to get public IP, once resource creation only we can get public IP. How to create your resource? Here observe this name. Please understand here. This name dot this name. This is the resource block. This is the resource type. This is the resource name. Simply resource type dot resource name dot public IP. Same thing we applied here. Understand here? This is the resource type. What is this? Resource name. What is this? Oh, this is the attribute. Have you understood what is attribute? This is attribute. You may ask me, what is this? This is the argument. Left side, whatever it is there, simply we can say argument. Right side, whatever it is there, generally we can say constant or maybe attribute. These are the technical words. Even my brain having so many doubts, maybe 6 months back. That's what I tried multiple ways. I am gathering clear clarity, clear information. Those things I am providing for you. Even at the time of reading, if you have a doubt, please try to maybe ping me or through WhatsApp. You try to paste it and ask me. I will clarify your doubts. In the same way, here see DNS. Already you know DNS means domain naming service. Even FDNS fully qualified domain name service. Domain name service in the sense just for connection purpose. For connection purpose. Just like host name is nothing but domain. Just like host name is nothing but domain. Here I think no doubt. Now see AMI data. This is very, very important. See, this is the new thing. This is the new. Get latest AMI ID for Amazon Linux 2 OS. How to get your latest? See, by using data source. Please remember how to get your latest AMI by using data source. Here, technical word is data source, but if you want to work with the data source, which block is useful? Data block only. Through that, through data block, I can create data resource. What is the data resource here? Observe here, AWS underscore AM. AWS underscore AM. This is user defined? No. This is also predefined. Have you understood or not? See, this is the data block. This is what? Data resource. Data resource. This is the name of the resource. You can use any name. Here, what we are getting? See, most recent. We are giving the naming argument. Most recent. True. What does it mean? Maybe yesterday one ID is there. Maybe today morning they got created one more ID. Automatically, our data block will go and fetch that latest ID. Is it clear for you? Most recent is true means the latest one it will get it. Owners Amazon is there, Azure is there, IBM is there, like that multiple clouds are there, right? That cloud name we are specifying. That name, Amazon owners. We are filtering based on which name is based on the name. What is the name? Value. Amazon AM ZN2 AMI HVM. Hardware virtual mission. Hardware virtual mission. GP2 general purpose. So what is the star means? In between something is there. In between something is there. Whatever it is, no problem. Automatically, star purpose. Star means all. Star means all. In between something is there, it will get it. Is it clear for you? Based on the name attribute. In the same way, based on the root device type. EBS. Everybody know it? Anyone respond what is EBS?
Elastic block storage, sir.
Elastic block storage. Elastic block storage means secondary storage. Secondary storage. 8 GB hard disk we are getting. That is the based on the EBS. EBS is there. NFS is there. EFS is there. Like that, multiple file system storages are there. This is the for OS related things we can use EBS. One more filter. Virtualization type. HVM. Hardware virtual machine. Here we are filtering. This is the under criteria. This one, this one, this one, this one. If matches, even family. Which family? X86, 64. Only X86 is there. X86, 64 is there. Only X64 is there. This is the architecture. Based on this, it will go and fetch AMI ID. AMI ID. Now you know this. Here, everything is clear, right? Everything is clear, right? Here you need to remember three things. One is the if you want to create any data source by using which block? Data block. By using data block, we can gather latest AMI, latest AMI ID, latest AMI ID. Generally, we are going and copying and pasting here. We are not doing this. This key, you know it. Hmm. Now, shall I go and try to apply this? Apply this terminal, new terminal. Now guide me. Terraform. Terra. I think I need to save this. Save all. That is the good procedure. Terraform init. Now, what is the problem? Provider AWS. It is not able to understand. Not able to understand the default non-aliased provider configuration for AWS. Already given it. C1 versions. C1 versions. For two, where is C1 versions? C1 versions. Okay. Control X. Control. Now it may work. Control S. Go to file. Save all. Already did. CLS. Not working. CLS. Up arrow, enter. What it is providing. C1 provision. TF line. Okay. I'll go differently. Now, unexpected block, unexpected block, unexpected block of type provider of not expected here. What it is feeling in the sense, you don't use block, it is saying you don't use block. Okay, okay. Now I may do small modification. Here control Z may work here. Now Terraform
I think
backend.
reason we have given their
No, no,
US
wait,
East. No?
just a minute. It is not a problem. I understood. I understood. I'm going to original state. This is the original state. Got it. Original state. AWS. AWS required provider. Required provider. Now this is the actual thing, right? Source is okay. Source is okay. Required version, required providers, that is AWS. Source version, source version. One more thing here, okay. Here, okay. Now what I want to Terraform block required version. Here I want to add this. Here I want to add this. Now I want to add what I want to add. Just go to where is my notepad? My notepad. Provider up to this, up to this. Control C. But getting error. Check it. This is Terraform, okay. Required provider, okay. Required provider. This open curly brace here. Required providers, okay. Then we go for AWS, okay. AWS. Can we remove this? Is it accepted? Yes. And now see the closing braces. Is it? Oh, here one more is there. Perfect. Okay. I understood. Now try to understand. We are moving to old one only. Old one only. Now where it is there? This one is not necessary. Okay. This one is not necessary. Just copy this, Control X, even remove this. Just you need to paste it. Here you need to paste it. Control V. There you try to apply Terraform, Terraform log. Now any braces required or not? Take it and tell me. Is there any braces required? Is there any braces required? Open brace 1, open brace 2. Where are the closing brace? Closing brace 1, closing brace 2. Now file save. Now just you go for Terraform. Where is that terminal? Terminal already there, right? Terminal is not visible. View terminal, no terminal, just Terraform unit. Now guide me here. The security token included in the request is invalid. State code 403 required security code. Now observe and tell me security code. What does it mean? Error configuring S3 backend. Okay. Error validating provider credentials. Error calling STS get caller identity invalid. Client token ID. The security token. The security token. Is there any downloaded things? In which area we are getting problem? Error configuring S3. Are you getting any special thing? No, right? Error configuring S3 backend. I think S3 backend properly written, right? Backend S3. Oh. What is our actual bucket name? Please respond. I think Terraform. After that, DevApps hyphen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I think this is the right one, right? Terraform DevApps 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Am I correct or not? Please respond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
We'll try this. We'll try this. Now, once again, you apply CLS. Now go for Terraform init. Again, you are getting invalid token ID. The security token included in the request is invalid. Status code 403 request ID. Status code 403 dev Terraform. You not US East one. AP South. AP South one. Control S. Again you try to apply. Again you try to apply. Up arrow, enter. Again you are getting an error. The security token included in that request is invalid. Request is invalid. Any other problem? Terraform good. Backend S3 good. Key good. Here also AP South 1 good. Access key right. Secret key right. These are not necessary. There that is asking security group, right? Security group. Terraform init. CLS. Terraform init. Hyphen reconfigure. C1FIGUR. No. No. Error configuring S3 backend. Error validating provider credentials. Oh, provider credentials is not correct. Provider credentials. See, I think these are not the right things it is saying, which is access key, secret key. Correct or not? Check it and tell me. Access key, secret key. Right one only. Access key, secret key. It is saying you are not correct. It is saying you are not correct. Shall I go and check it? Access key, secret key, or I'll go and create new one. It is saying, or else what I may do, or else what I may do. I'm taking this provider. First, I'll check it really is it working or not. Copy it, Windows key or CMD, there, main.tf, main.tf, there I am pasting, yes, there after that, I am doing variable, just x, open curly brace, here is the d, type is equal to number, here is default is equal to 5, and we go with output result, result, curly brace, here is also this the and right. What is the output here? Just I go with output. Here is the value is equal to here is which one? That is only x or variable dot x where dot x. Now just save this. Which name I provided? Main.h. Yes. Now I'm checking here. Terraform, TRRAFOR. Yes, it is working. Now Terraform, just in it. Terraform in it. Argument or block definition required. What was the problem here? Observe and tell me. Main.tl. Main.tl. Cancel. Observe and tell me. Provider AWS, region AP South 1, access key, secret key. Generally, these are the right things, right? Now observe and tell me what was the problem here. Output. It is not recognizing which one. Yes, it is main.tf line 13. An argument or block definition is required here. An argument,
The open brace, I think.
not the
Close,
notepad,
yeah,
main.tf. Now check it and tell me where is open brace is required. This is the variables open and close. Got it or not?
yeah,
For a
yeah,
variable, open and close. For
For
output,
output, sir.
OUT, spelling correct only, right?
Output. Beside result, one open
Oh,
brace is
one
there.
more, one more
yeah,
curly brace is there. Got
yeah,
it?
Yes.
yeah, yes,
Right,
right,
right. I understood. And now check it. Now we are checking that provider is working or not. We are checking. Terraform, 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 just in it. I think it is working here. I think everything is correct here. Here it is correct means there also provider is correct, right? Provider is correct. Provider is correct. Terraform block, backend S3, everything is fine. I think this name is correct or not. Observe and tell me. Terraform DevApps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally, observe and tell me. S3 bucket, Terraform, Terraform DEV OPS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we are not wrong. We are not wrong, but here CLS. Now Terraform init. Terraform init. Just enter. Status code 403 required. Error. Only one facility is there. Just go to browser. Paste. Enter. Terraform getting an error configuring S3 backend. Yes. What they are saying? Provider okay. Terraform backend okay. Any missing here? Check it and tell me. Any missing is there? Provider good. Region good. Access key okay. Secret key okay. Terraform okay. Backend S3 okay. Bucket key region. Did we apply or not? Yes, we applied. Yes, we applied. AWS. Their AWS provider section. Any additional things they are providing? Terraform init. In my case, I was able to resolve this issue by deleting the. I understood. I understood. What they are saying is here any hidden files are there? Anyone tell me? Here any hidden files are there? No, right? Check it. Is there any hidden files?
No, sir. Nothing is there.
No. Actually, if any additional file is there, okay, we'll check it in this way. How to check it in the sense, ls, here any hidden file is there, now you can check it. Nothing is there. If it is there, you will go and delete it. Without that one, how can I delete? Terraform key correct only. We are not wrong, but internally it is saying, okay, anyway, Terraform init again, that is good. That is good. We need to do any other thing. See, same, check it here, error. Configuring Terraform AWS provider, error validating provider credentials, status code 403, required ID. Got it or not? With provider registry.terraform.io hash equal line 1. What they did, AWS credentials were credentials ID they are expecting. Credentials ID they are expecting. AWS STS get caller identity. Then execute AWS STS get caller identity command and see if you are using correct credentials or not. The default region token provider. I think nothing is there. They are given one remedy. What is AWS configure? I think here no need, right? AWS configure. Okay. I understood. One more thing. What is one more thing in the sense here AWS configure FIGUR. This one matching or not? First tell me. Last one OMG. Here what it is there in our provider? Tell me. What is the last one access key? Please observe. Matching or mismatching? Mismatching. I have observed or not?
Mismatching.
This is very, very important. Control C. Finally, I got the remedy. See, enter it here, enter it here. Now configure. What is the first one? This is the access key. Got it? Now we go for secret key. Just secret. That is the problem. Copy it. Now paste it. What next? Now this one. US East, not AP South, right? We are working with AP South one. Got it or not? AP South one. Now JSON. Enter. Now it may work. Now it may work. Terraform in it. I hope you got the clarity. Successfully configured the backend S3. Terraform will automatically use this backend unless the backend configuration changes. It is downloading provider plugin. Now, generally, we go for Terraform plan. What I said, if you use Terraform plan, state file will create or not create. Anyone respond? If I use Terraform plan, state file may create or may not create. In Terraform plan, state file will not create. Check it here. I am using Terraform plan. Only plan will provide. Now, what is going to be? Going to be means in future, you may create one resource, those information which is available within the RAM. This is the binary file. This is the binary. This is the binary. You want to create one file for binary. How to create? Terraform hyphen out. Manually you are creating a dot b. Assume I am creating like that. A dot b. Now see, now you may get here a dot. Have you got A dot B or not? Check it here. Have you got it or not? See in left side A dot B. This is the RAM copy. You are converting like a backup copy. Okay. Now I may go with the Terraform. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. This is the entire question. When state file will create? Once you apply Terraform apply, then only state file will create. State file. Give the confirmation yes. Now check it here automatically. You may get one state. What is the state file? State file contain state of the actual cloud resources. Actual cloud resources. Within the cloud, whatever it is creating, those information we are automatically getting and holding into one file. That file is nothing but you know this error. How you know this error? Why we are getting this error? Anyone respond? Already in our AP South one, this security group is there. This security group is there. Now what you may do? Just go to here. Now guide me. There EC2 within the left side. Security groups is there. Security group. Yes. There check it. This one. First you need to delete. You need to delete. Actions. Just delete security. Now one more. Refresh it. I think one more one is there. One more one is there. Now check it. What is the one more? VPC web. In previous sections, we got created these ones. We didn't remove it. That was the problem. Refresh it. Now I think clear. There is no. Okay. Now we are going to here. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Give the confirmation. Now observe at left side. That is very, very important. Left side, you may get one file. That file name is terraform.tf state. Terraform.tf state. Here, okay, one instance is creating, two security groups are creating, one instance and two security. Total how many resources got created? Three. Now check it here. One file got created or not? Where is the terraform.tf state? Shall I refresh? Refresh. File, where is the refresh? Maybe I may apply F5. Find terraform execution. Okay. And now check it here. Is it refreshed or not? What happened? Going to now where is the terraform.tf state? Open it and now check it here. Is it created or not? Observe and tell me. Terraform.tf state. Now I am opening this. Now I am opening this. Here, how many resources? Please observe. How many resources
Three.
got created? Three.
Three.
How do we know? How do we know? Observe. Again, I'll get it. Now see, we can see those three resources information. See backend, type S3, configuring OK. Where is the security group related information? Not showing anything. Even security group also there here. Where is that? Is it visible? We are not able to identify. We are not able to identify. But that information is also there. Version 3, serial 1. Okay. Okay. I'll show you in another way. I'll show you in another way. Go for terminal, new terminal. Now, is that Terraform, Terraform, state, STAT, LIST list. You now observe here, AWS, 1, 2, 3, 4 resources internally having. 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it or not? These are the things which Terraform state file holding. Even that is clearly showing or not, leave it. These are the Terraform state list. Terraform state list. These information. Now if you go to S3, where is S3? If you go to S3, here also if you refresh it, S3, enter in S3. Now this is the third one, right? Terraform DevOps. Now check it here. Dev already there or not? Here see one state file is there. This state file is also having same information. This state file. I think it is in block. How to get this resource? Now guide me anyone. How to get this resource? How to view this resource? Go to here. Go to here. Select this one. What you may do? Go to actions. Just make public. Make public. Now make public. After that, go to here. Again select this. Now click on here. Now try to use this. Try to use this. Now see, clearly it is showing or not? Full length information. Now see, if you copy and get it, here everything will be there. See, security group information is visible or not? Got the clarity? Tomorrow we'll continue this one also. Now see here, everything is properly there. Everything is properly there. Where it is storing, within the local or within the S3 bucket? Within S3 bucket,
Three buckets.
stored. S3 bucket, everything is stored. This is the remote storage. Today we are discussing only remote storage. Here some problem is there. Those problems we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Any doubt is there? Ask me. Otherwise, we can wind it. We'll continue tomorrow. If you have patience, maybe evening also, maybe 8 to 9, that time also, if you want it, I'll take one more session because I want to finish the Terraform require 20 sessions. Only we finished 6 sessions only, right? remaining today 7th session. Remaining 13 sessions are the 13 days means nearly it may go 20 days. Maybe middle holidays will be there, Sundays will be there. Even I may not take 1 or 2 days. What about Sudhir?
Okay,
Do
sir.
you
No
have
problem, sir.
patience?
Yes, sir. I have.
Evening,
Yeah. Okay, sir.
evening 8 to 9. If both yeah, three members are there, for all the three members, if it is good for you, I may take 8 to 9 also one session.
Okay, sir. For me, okay,
Okay,
sir.
good. Thank you.
Sir,
Today 8 to 9.
yesterday video not shared, sir.
Oh, I'll send it. I'll send. I
Okay,
think
sir.
only one. I yesterday videos I sent, right? Not yet.
Yesterday S6, sir. You said S5 and S3 only.
Oh,
Yesterday
yes, 5 and yesterday I sent.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'll send.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
6
S6
hours.
and
Okay, okay,
S7 both.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Friends spoken. Similar ఉంటే
అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను సార్. స్లేవ్ ఒకసారి చూపించాను.
స్లేవ్ మాస్టర్ స్లేవ్
స్క్రిప్టెడ్
అదే.
డిక్లరేటివ్ రెండు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను సార్.
వర్క్ అయింది.
ఓకే